Hey guys, Nick here. Oh, hang on a minute. There we go. Hey guys, Nick here coming to you live from the unboxing zone here at Zotac MEK1 2018. Now right now I have a PC to unbox for all you gamers out there. This is the Zotac MEK1 gaming PC. As you can see, it's quite a bit of a beast. This is the PC you want to get if you're looking for something that's stylish, that has a lot of performance in it, a lot of storage. This is the PC to beat. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's going to be a bit tricky because it's so big to unbox, but I'm going to try and make it as look good on camera. So here we go. I'm going to bring this guy out here first. I'm going to try and get this down here. So first up, we've got an accessories box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. All right, so we've got basically some stands here that if you want, you can set it up or standing up. So these are just basically stands that help give a bit more support. And then over here, you've got cables for power. You have your antenna here for Wi-Fi. And of course, at the end, you've got some warranty information, user's manual, as well as a USB to add any graphics if you want to do a clean installation of Windows. Let's put this aside, nice and easy, and get to the good stuff. This may take a while, give me a second. So we're going to put it up on the table here and see if we can get this guy out. Like I said, it's quite a big PC, so let's see if we can slide him out. There we go. Okay. All right, there we go. We got there in the end. I like that. And okay, here you have it. It's a Zotac MEK1 gaming PC. Let's get these supports off. There we go. Second one. All right, and there it is. That's the Zotac MEK1 gaming PC. If you look at the back here, you've got plenty of connectivity ports. You've got USB, you've got your HDMI, DVI, you've got also plenty of audio connections over here as well. So you can set up like 7.1 surround. You've got dual Ethernet ports over there, USB 3.0, Wi-Fi, power supply up at the top. Super stylish in the front, as you can see, you've got power and some USB over there. There's also a small door that you can choose to hide the power button if you just want to keep it nice and compact, so you can have it like this. Now, this particular model is an i7 7th generation processor. It's got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. You have a NVIDIA GeForce 1070 Ti graphics card in here, along with a 256 GB M.2 SSD and 1 terabyte of storage space, which I think is more than enough power in here to get all of your AAA titles running at 60 FPS easily. It also has enough space to upgrade later on, so if you want to change the hard drive out, you want to choose a different graphics card, you can as well. It's super accessible to get into as well. You could just simply unscrew the two screws at the back, slide over the cover on this side, and you can get to the graphics card. If you slide out the cover on this side, you can get to the RAM and to the hard drive. So just looking at it, it is a really stylish PC. There is a bit of LED lighting on the edges here, so when it is powered up, you get a beautiful LED strip on both sides, and again, even the power button lights up. So just looking at it, it's a fantastic PC. It's got some great designs on the side as well, and like I said, you can use it either standing up or laying down like this. Very, very nice. But yeah, it is a fantastic Zotac MEK1 gaming PC. And that's it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more videos right here, or come on down and see us at Zotac MEK1 2018.